It was a high-profile assembly of government dignitaries, industry titans and private sector leaders in the nation's capital to commemorate the 35th anniversary of the Corporate Affairs Commission (CAC). Delivering her keynote remarks, the Minister of Industry, Trade and Investment, Jumoke Oduwole, represented by the Permanent Secretary Nura Rimi, lauded the Commission's pivotal role in national development, describing the CAC as one of the golden geese laying the nation's egg.
That has shaped the corporate landscape of Nigeria for over 3 decades.
At the moment, what they're doing, it's quite impressive. Ours is just to give more support, and there should be more awareness, generally to the public. And we have to ensure that it's not just the top corporate companies, that are benefiting from these services, but we have to make sure that the enterprises also are co-opted into this ecosystem.
The event featured testimonials from key stakeholders, including former Bauchi State Governor Yuguda, who emphasized the Commission's profound impact on the Nigerian economy over the last 3.5 decades.
They are working in line with international best practices. So we are at par with the best in the world today. And this is an achievement that every Nigerian should be proud of.
Then when it comes to transformation, beyond digital, you need to incorporate other things that will make the business easier. Because digital transformation is not just about technology. It is about people, it is about the processes, and it is about making business simple and easy.
Now, public trust is earned through actions, not words, and you've shown us by action that you have earned public trust.
In his address, the Registrar-General of CAC, Hussaini Magaji, detailed the agency's landmark achievements and its evolution into modern regulatory body.
As we celebrate the past, we are even more inspired by the future, one driven by technology, efficiency, transparency, and global standards. In the spirit of this celebration, the management of CAC has approved the following initiatives: free business name registration for 3,500 small businesses to be distributed across the system of the Federation and the Federal Capital Territory.
The celebration culminated in a forward-looking partnership, the signing of a memorandum of understanding with Google. The strategic alliance is aimed at integrating artificial intelligence into the Commission's operations, signaling a new era of digital efficiency for business registration and oversight in Nigeria. CNN News.